Suspended BJD MLA Arvind Mahapatra has sharpened his attack on party chief Naveen Patnaik, claiming that his questions remain unanswered even after repeated attempts. The Patkura legislature says he is still searching for the reason behind his suspension from the Biju Janata Dal and alleges that concerns he raised about corruption and breach of trust were ignored by the leadership. Declaring himself politically independent, Mahapatra has made it clear that he will vote in the upcoming Rajya Sabha elections based on the merit of candidates rather than party lines. He maintained that his responsibilities as an MLA remain unchanged and that he will continue to raise public issues in the assembly while working for his constituency. Amid growing political chatter around the Rajya Sabha polls, Mahapatra hinted that the significance of his vote would depend on whether the number of candidates exceeds the available seats. Responding to the controversy, senior BJD leader Ananta Narayan Jina stated that only Naveen Patnaik would address the questions raised by the suspended MLA.
नहीं उत्तर मत मिली ना मु तो पाल्टा प्रश्न पचारि तो उत्तर कई मत कही ना बर्तमान अच्छी उत्तर देले देवे ना मु जहाँ आगुरी कही विधायक भाव जहाँ क्षमता थिला बर्तमान भी अच्छी एवं से काम मु कर चली मो निर्वाचन मंडली मो जिला एवं तो मु किसी कमिटी अच्छी तो आम ओडिशा बुलुचु एवं बुलिया समय जहाँ जहाँ समस्या अच्छी से समस्या विधानसभा उठे मु